Understanding toggle clamp, a simple guide. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating and practical tool used in various fields like woodworking, metalworking, and even in DIY projects. The tool we're focusing on is the toggle clamp. If you've ever worked on a project that required holding pieces securely, you'll find this topic particularly interesting. A toggle clamp is a simple mechanical device used to securely hold an object in place. It operates on the principle of a lever and linkage system, which allows it to apply a strong clamping force with minimal effort. Toggle clamps are widely used because they are fast, efficient, and easy to operate. They come in various shapes and sizes, each designed for specific applications. There are several types of toggle clamps, each suited for different purposes. The most common types include horizontal toggle clamps, ideal for work where clearance above the clamp is limited. Vertical toggle clamps, best for applications where more vertical space is available. Push-pull toggle clamps, useful for applications requiring linear action. Latch-type toggle clamps, perfect for securing doors or lids. Understanding the differences helps in selecting the right clamp for your project. Using a toggle clamp is quite straightforward. 1. Position the clamp. Attach the clamp to your workbench or fixture. 2. Adjust the clamp. Set the clamping pressure and distance according to your workpiece. 3. Secure the workpiece. Place your material under the clamp and press the lever down. 4. Release. Once done, simply lift the lever to release the clamp. It's important to ensure the clamp is properly adjusted to avoid damage to your workpiece. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding what a toggle clamp is, its types, and how to use it effectively in your projects. These clamps are invaluable tools for ensuring precision and safety in your work. Happy clamping, and see you in the next video.